We are happy to have John Parker from AVOL, Kentucky with us in studio this morning.
Today he's telling us about something great coming, the first ever HeartStrings event. I'm excited to hear more about this.
Thank you for having me. We're excited too. It's a good week to talk about it because of Valentine's Day, but this is in March 14th. And HeartStrings is really going to be drawing attention to the connectivity between housing, stable housing, and healthcare, and the benefits we see when people are stably housed in their ability to get well, if they have chronic illnesses, that type of thing, that they can really do well. And so we've been working on this as AVOL for years, but we opened a new facility about a year ago, and we've seen that in action since we opened, and we know that there's ability to do more.
How will the money raised at this event help you further your cause?
We're raising funds for two things. One is for the opportunity to build more affordable housing. There's a shortage of affordable housing in our community and communities across the United States. And also for either temporary or long-term subsidies to help keep people housed if they're facing eviction. So evictions only lead to one thing, and that's homelessness. We don't want to go backwards, we want to go forwards. And for people who are having health issues, they might be one health emergency away from becoming homeless. And so having services nearby their homes and being able to work with them directly helps them to be able to kind of navigate ahead and try to avoid that eviction and get well at the same time.
You bring up the housing that you opened up a year ago, and you were telling me how that model is working. You want to raise money to try and imitate that model elsewhere in the community.
Yeah.
What have you noticed that's working with it?
I think it's a matter of, if you notice somebody who's having difficulty, there is an opportunity to help them because it may be medically related. So if you see the EMT or fire department show up several times in a week, visit, see what happens. They need food. They didn't have a bed. You know, it's just some issues that we needed to help navigate, and we've been able to do that with a lot of folks who come to see us. So it's just a great opportunity. I did want to mention our keynote speaker on March 14th is Dr. Stephen Stack, who's our Commissioner of Public Health. So come on out and meet Dr. Stack. We've kind of all seen him on TV for years. But anyway, we're just super excited to be able to do this, and we think it will help us prevent homelessness in Kentucky.
How satisfying is it to see the look on certain people's faces when they realize the help they've received from you all?
I think it's a relief for them, and it's a relief for us, because sometimes you don't recognize the signals that are there. But once you get on the same page with someone and you're really helping them to connect to tangible services that are already available, it's kind of like, oh, it was that easy, you know, so let's just kind of look at that. I think this type of activity could be property manager's best friend, you know, just like, let's keep people stable, let's keep them where they're at, and affordable.
All right, well, John, thank you so much for being here this morning and all the work that you and everyone at AVOL are doing in our community. You saw some information on your screen about the HeartStrings Breakfast, March 14th. We'll be right back after the break.
You're watching Fox 56 News. Our home, your news.